Testing. Yeah, there's something really wonky going on with Open Broadcaster. So I just rebooted my whole machine. Seems like it's working better. Yeah, I did shave, took a shower and shaved. Watched a little bit of Toonami. Kind of want to do some work on sound effects right now. Go ahead and get that knocked out. I don't know about a plane crash. How am I going to do a plane crash? Could just do crinkling, wadding up paper. Okay, I think the first one I want to do is the coughing. So every time somebody croaks, they're going to cough and wheeze. That's probably way too loud. That's my coughing sound. Oops. Yeah, I need to lighten this up a little bit. Maybe I should echo it. That's still way too loud. Can I reduce amplify? Okay. Export. Audio. Sound effects. Cough. I need an explosion. I don't know how to make an explosion sound. Aside from doing it. Aside from just going POSH! Yeah, too bad it's not raining. It was raining a minute ago. I could record some of the thunder sounds. Maybe like the bottom of a trash can. It's got to be metallic though. Oh, I found something. Tins. There we go. This would be a lot deeper and echoey. That sounds more like a shot. What about reverb? Whoa! That second one sounded like it. It's really loud though. Wow. It's like full everything. Amplify. Yeah, I don't know. I think I want this as the shot sound. The bullet sound. I wonder if I can search on how to make explosion sounds. Go to the local gun shop? Oh man. Here's how to make your own sound effects from Make magazine. Oh. A creek box. Is that it? Step. Broken glass. Wow, video output low. Sound of wind. Oh, I can do the sound. I can do the Lysol can for the spray sound. I could probably make the pitch a little bit deeper and make a bicycle. I don't have a bicycle. Okay. I wish I had more time to read all this. Okay. Smells pretty good. Spray. Where's my book? Yeah, I could do my book again. It's a nice rumbling sound. I don't know about an explosion. Actually, that's pretty good. Rumbling sound. Look at that. Look how neat that line is. I wish I could have it loud and fall off. Change pitch. Explode. I wonder if there's any cool sounds I can make with this. That could be my pickup sound. Maybe a little bit slower. Up. So I got explode, cough, pick up, shoot. How do I make a computer voice? Audacity. Telephone. Stratospheric Aerosol Injection. Thanks for playing. Game over. Stratospheric effects, equalization. It's supposed to be one for telephone. Stratospheric aerosol. Stratospheric telephone, walkie-talkie. Stratospheric aerosol. Stratospheric. Okay, I'm gonna use that one. Change the pitch. Oops. Stratospheric. Stratospheric. Okay. Okay. X that out. Export audio. Title, voice.
Thanks for playing.
Winner voice. Winner voice. Game over voice.
Game over.
So I'm trying to, do I need like a hum for the plane? I don't know how to do an airplane voice. It's going to be kind of hard. Maybe I could do, like, for the winner screen, do my harmonica. I don't know. Let me just do these, and then I'll think of something else. Unity. Still not really happy with my explosion. I just did it flipping a book and lowered the tone. I mean, it's better than nothing. I think it's better than BFXR. I'm kind of over BFXR. Oh, a fan! I didn't think of that. That's a good idea. I just so happen to have a fan handy. never done a fan before. I guess a fan's more kind of, I don't know if it would sound more like a prop plane or if it'd be okay for a jet. A fan is so old. It takes a while to start up. Okay, here we go. Yeah, it's not even registering yet. My little Christmas light thing over there's my revolving Christmas light's making a lot of noise. Whoa, what in the world? Oh, that's Unity. My fan is so old. It's like I have to, maybe I need to turn the gain up on my mic. There it goes. Whoa! That's a lot of noise. Let's see what that sounds like. Yeah, that sounds pretty good, I guess, for a low humming airplane sound. Jet sound. Let's just take a couple of seconds out of it. 2 seconds. Export jet. Got that low humming sound. Okay. Turn this off. Okay, so this is kind of monotonous here. Let's go create sounds. Create. Go ahead and put this at 000. Sound. Let's start with target dead. Sound bullet. Sound spray. I think I may need to lower the spray sound because right now it just sounds like a can of spraying my Lysol. It just sounds like me spraying my Lysol, which may be okay. I don't know. Okay, let me go ahead and find these. So cough is target dead. Sound create. Sound explode. Sound refill. Sound, voice, game over. I didn't do a voice for level complete. Oh well. Sound, voice, game over. I did spray. I did bullet. Explode. Oh, jet. Sound, jet. Yeah, I don't know. So for all of these, whoa, jet. Well, at least for these. Actually, for all of them, I want bullet. Oh, I didn't do bullet. Spray. I didn't do spray. Spray, spray. Split. Okay. So I want all these plan awake off. Okay. So let me think. What do I want to do first? Let me do target cough prefab. Target. Target. I could just do like a game object find and get what I need, but I guess the right way is to drag it in. Come on. So target. Let's go ahead and do a public audio source. Audio target dead. You actually have it where each target has a health value. Looking back, I probably should have did a Boolean. I was going to have each one have its own health, but that would make it too complicated to play. So now we just need to... Oh no! Yeah, I can't do this because I can't drag... I can't drag a instantiated thing over here into a prefab. See? Okay. So yeah, forget that. Look, some people will scream about using game object find, but unless you're doing it like 100 times in a loop, I really don't think it's that big of a deal. Game object dot find. Sound target dead. My mic's clipping. Let me check. Testing, test. Whoa. Oh yeah, I know what I did. Sorry. Yeah, my mic's very sensitive apparently, so I've got to turn this down to like 70. Okay. So I can see on my open broadcaster my mic right here. So I usually try to keep it like here in the yellow. Sometimes if it goes up to red, it's not too bad. If it's full red every time, then that's bad. Yeah, there's like different settings you can play with. There's also gain on my mic too, but I usually just have the gain at the very pretty low level right there. Okay. I think that should fix that. So sound target dead. Dot get component audio source dot play. So this is going to be a lot of coughing, because every time one of these little guys dies, they're gonna cough. Yeah, no problem. I want to see how annoying this coughing is. Oops. Play. Oh no, did I just kill my stream? No. That's not too bad. There's my explosion. Oh no. Maybe I'll just use a BFXR for the plane exploding. I don't know. There's my pickup. No, one guy left. No. He's gonna be kind of hard to get right there. Oh no, 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 no. There we go. Population eliminated. Okay, great. Okay, I want to grab this. Let's get a plane. So I can just sound refill and sound explode. The thing about game over is like that's going to overlay the sound of the plane exploding. Maybe I just don't want to do game over. See what plane explode sounds like. Come on, hit me. Sound pretty good, I guess. Oh no. Yeah. I don't know of any other, like, games like this. I don't know if people may find this offensive or... I don't know what will become of this game. I want to have my little radar thing on the top. Oh yeah, I need the bullet. So let's grab my bullet. So I'll just play this on start. Sound bullet. Oh, I didn't do spray. I need to do spray too. So I need the spray to be in sync with how often the spray gets spawned. Because they're really just like cubes with particle systems in them. So plane. Jump. Spray. But if it just needs to be long enough so there's some overlap, because you don't want to go on and off and on. You don't want to go which is what it's kind of doing. Doesn't sound too bad. I wish there was some way to But those guys just walked right into that cloud. There's my pickup. Oh, where's the last one? Whoa, almost got you. Wait. What? That didn't make sense. There was like one guy left and he got sprayed. But the game didn't end. It's kind of weird. Oh no, I'm out. Oh, there's the pickup right there. So there's two. No! Whoa. Where's the, oh, there's one way up there. At the top. Crud. Missed him. Oh, there he is. Oh, just barely missed him. There he goes. Okay, I don't know what happened that first time. Yeah. I don't know how much I want to texture map that plane right there. I guess I could do something. I really want to do the little... Oh, this is still spawning. Oh, I need to do fonts. That's what I need to do. Really. Level manager. If not game over. Then do the gas refill. I don't need them to keep spawning after. Yeah, let's do some fonts. Let's pick out a cool font. I don't know if I want to do like 3D text for the title. I don't know. Got it in my handy dandy tools. And yeah, using pre-existing fonts are within the rules of Ludum Dare. If there's any like airplane. Let's see if anything catches my eye. Arbuckle. Like picking fonts is so arbitrary. Auto destruct. That's kind of cool. I'm gonna pull this over. For some reason, like the font preview is always so slow. So what was this? Auto destruct. BB. Automatica. F. I've seen that one used a lot. Kind of like auto destruct. Let's use this one. Make a new fonts. Create folder. Fonts. I want to go ahead and install this one too, just so it's available in GIMP and everything else. Word, if I had to do something. Okay. So let's go back to the main menu. Scenes. Title. Game. Text title. See what this looks like. Auto destruct. Hey, it looks pretty good. Get button start and button quit. Hello, Lego lad. Thanks for watching my stream. Working on Stratospheric Aerosol Injection. The theme is sacrifice is necessary or something like that for Ludum Dare 43. So you gotta use your aerosol injections to take out the target. So let's go. Oh yeah, I want to do the voice here too. So create sounds, create sounds, create title, voice. So we want to drag in our title voice to here. We don't want to play on awake because I want to play it a couple of seconds after it starts. See, this is where I have a lot of bad things to say about Playmaker. Just how it's such a pain to keep it up to date and all the differences with Unity. But it does make things like this really easy. Because without Playmaker, I got to do like float, F, title, voice, delay. F title voice delay gets 2F. F title voice delay, subtract and assign. What I really need to do, if F title voice delay is greater than 0, F title voice delay, subtract and assign, time delta time, if F title voice delay is less than or equal to 0, then we want to run that other code. Game object find sound title. No, it's just title voice. Title voice dot get component audio source. Oh, okay. I can try. Yeah, some people were spamming like a week ago or something. See if I can change slow mode. Maybe I can just make you a moderator. There you go. Oops. Moderator's channel URL. I bet if I make you a moderator, then you won't be on slow mode. Live dashboard. I wonder how to... Okay, that's all I had to do. Okay, great. So hopefully you don't have slow mode now. I don't know. See if there's any other way. Oh, there it is. Enable slow mode. Okay. Done. Okay. Slow mode is off. Chat away. Yeah, there were some people like just spamming the channel, and I don't know what they were doing. A couple of weeks ago. So I turned slow mode on. Try to curb that a little bit. Okay. One, two. It's not playing. It's not playing. What's going on? Title voice. See, one thing that's bad about this, I don't have a way to, like in Game Maker, you can just like play the clip right here. Oh, maybe I can double click it right there. That opens it up in music.
Stratospheric.
Okay, great. Title voice delays 2F. Title voice delays greater than 0F. Title voice delay. Sound da da da. Title da 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 da. Did I spell it right? Title voice get. Oh, I didn't call play. Duh. Ooh, yeah, that's bad if you type out a long message and it deletes your message. Yikes. One, two.
Stratospheric Aerosol Injection.
Start. Okay. Okay, so now I need to go back to the game. Scenes, game. And canvas. Text, text, text. I remember on my last Ludum Dare, I was doing my delivery game, Crazy Delivery, and the font that I chose didn't have a character for $. It's like the most craziest thing. It's like, I hope this one has a character for the percentage. I'll be very upset if it doesn't. So auto destruct BB. So now you can see right there, populate, but it makes it kind of big. Got to pull these over a little bit. Population. Then pull over level. Would be nice to have these with an outline. So, but I got to do it for every single one. Can I just do it right here? Can I add components to all four at the same time? Outline. Maybe so. Yeah, there we go. I think I want to have 2 minus 2. Color of this is going to be white. Okay. So I also need the image meter, text meter percent, and change this to auto destruct. Ooh, that doesn't look good. At least a question and percent. It's like they make the font, they make the letters fine, but they don't put a lot of time in the special characters, which is kind of annoying. Oh, I do see the little dots. Yeah, that's pretty good. But now these are a little bit too big. Maybe I should put population and level on different lines. I don't know. Let's make these a little bit smaller. Let's make these like 40. There we go. Then we can scooch population value over here. Scooch level value over a little bit. So I don't even think I'm using text winner anymore, am I? Why is that checked? Yeah, I'm not using that. I think I can delete that. Yeah, let's delete text winner. So we just have panel complete and panel game over. Text, text. Auto destruct. Oh no, that's too wide. Let's make these 40 as well. Ooh. Oh, that bang sound is the bullet getting shot. Maybe I need to shorten it up a little bit. 48. Yeah, 48 looks good there. Okay. Text, text. So let's make all these. That auto destruct. That looks pretty good. Okay. Panel complete. Yeah, it's kind of long for a bullet sound, I guess. I need to pull down these 4. Oh no, I didn't want that. Population. Let's pull these down a smidgen. Let's go back. Open. Up, 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 up. Stratospheric. Assets, audio, sound effects, bullet. Okay. Yeah, that's like way too long. Effect. I think I'm just going to change the speed. Ooh, that's way too fast. Let's do like 50%. It is kind of a harsh sound. It needs to be. Wish there was like a soften. I mean, I have normalize. Guess I can equalize it. Thousand hertz rumble. I think I need to de-amplify it. That's probably what I need to do. Yeah, that's better. Just a little bit. Export. I think I want to export this as bullet 2. Kind of want to like rename this one bullet 2. Then have this one as bullet. Oh, that was my cookie tin thing. That was this right here. I think I just, or maybe I. This thing can make a lot of different sounds. Depending on which way you hit it. So the nice thing about Unity is I think it automatically updates the sound for you as long as you already have it assigned. Game Maker, you would have to re-import it. Yeah. I'm still not completely happy with the explosion sound. Seems like the strategy is to stick to the sides, that way you can quickly jump side to side and avoid the towers. Okay. What else do I do? I'm gonna do the music on my Mac laptop, MacBook Pro, probably tomorrow. So I don't want to get into music right now. I do have like a winter screen, so I can go ahead and do this one. And update this. Return to title. That could be a little bit wider. So make it 360 or something. There we go. And can do my audio here too. So sounds 000. Create sound winner. So we want to pull in winner voice and turn off play on awake. We want to do all that yak again that I did for the title screen. So scenes, I'm just going to pull in the code. I don't feel like writing it again. So, just going to copy this. Go back to scenes, winner, ending menu, paste this. Maybe rename it. Go ahead and call it float F title voice delay. F title voice delay gets to F. Then go ahead and refactor this. I'm really liking refactor. It's a lot better than a standard search and replace. So I'm just like change it to F ending voice delay and apply, and it fixes all of them. I guess I should do outlines for this. It's not playing. Sounds. I'll call it sound winner. Sound winner. I think I want to go ahead and for the text ending, add an outline of 2 minus 2. Maybe if it's a little bit cloudy tomorrow, I'll go out and take a picture of the clouds and have a nice cloudy background for this and the title screen. Scenes, title, save. Canvas text title. Add component outline 2, -2. I don't know what use graphic alpha does. Seems like I accidentally clicked the other one and it didn't make that much of a difference. So let's go back to winner, save.
Thanks for playing. Stratospheric Aerosol Injection.
I think I want to do the towers next before I go to bed. Oh no. Oh no, missed all those guys. Some of these guys are really hard to hit, but it seems like they eventually walk into it. Anyway, like that guy right there. Wow, I was actually trying to get hit on that one. Shoot me. Okay, game over. That looks good. Okay, so the last thing I want to do before I go to bed, I don't know what you call those things. They're like little airport tower, I guess. Images. I want the little swirly radar thing. Airport radar tower. Yeah, kind of like one of these things. Like this. It's going to be hard to model. I guess I don't need to do the... I don't need to do the grading. I just need to do a solid one. It won't be too hard. Just make a little half crescent type thing. Then make it rotate. Okay. Blender. Oh, it is loud? Okay, I'll go back and fix that. Usually I have the desktop audio turned down. Wait, I don't see any desktop. Yeah, usually I turn that down in my OBS settings. Especially when I'm playing a game. I'll turn that down about 10 decibels. Okay. File, open, tower. So here's my tower. Be really nice to have like a side view of a tower. A side and a front view. But I guess I'm just going to have to do it by hand. There's a kind of like one that I was thinking about. Okay, I can do this. One. I think I'm just going to make it. I'm not going to extrude this. I'm just going to do a new. Let's move my. I always forget the shortcut to move my 3D cursor to the origin. It's easier just typing in 3 zeros right there. So create a cube. Actually, I could just do a cube. Leave it at that. That'd be the simplest thing to do. So 3, 1, 7, 1. Okay. GZ. Put that right there. 3. Okay. Scale Y. Scale this in. Maybe I should have like a little thing going up. Like, it's so small that you aren't going to notice the details anyway. Nobody's really going to notice the details. But I could grab the... Oops. Don't want all that. Is that filled in on the top? It is. Okay. It's going to be tricky. I want to delete that face. Go back to vertices. 1. Grab all these. Extrude, enter, scale. Oops. 7. Scale that in. 1. Oh no, I didn't want to do that. Oh, that's okay. G, C. I want to move all these up to these. So those are at Z1. So move these up to Z1. So now I'm going to extrude upward Z. Yeah, I like Blender. It just takes a lot of time. A lot of time. I think I've been using Blender since like 2003 or something like that. Maybe even earlier than that. It's been a while. My first game was a game called... I tried to do a BattleBots clone. Game list. Yeah, it's this one right here. This is like my first... What date did I put on this? Yeah, 2003, June. That was like one of my first Blender models right there. Kinda, yeah. That was my BattleBots game that I wrote in, I think, SDL and OpenGL. Oh yeah, here's a very old version of Blender. I guess I was running this on Linux. Some of the icons are still the same though. Blender or 262? I don't know. This was like a really old version of Blender. Yeah. I had to write a Python script for Blender to like convert my, what was it, OpenGL? Just to convert my model to use, I think OBJ. No, I think I wrote to convert into pure OpenGL calls. I can't remember. It's been such a long time. I remember I did my Tetris City 2 and I did write an OBJ exporter. Or there might have been like one that came with it or some sample code. So there's my little radar tower. Now the problem is like, do I want to get that little curve in there? I don't know. Like that one has two parts to it. It's got like a little middle part that goes up and down. It's like, I don't want to get too detailed with this because you aren't going to be able to see a lot of details. Like, when it's like this far away, all you're going to see is like a little thing on top. That's probably about it. The important thing is to get it rotating. Okay. So I think I just want to have one. I think I gotta go into object mode. I want to have one bone, add armature, single bone. Okay. See, it always ends up in some weird position. 0, 0, 0. Maybe this does need to be a little bit bigger. I don't know. Control Shift? No. Control Shift. Yeah, get those out of there. Scale it up. GZ. Oh, no. Is it off now? Yeah, it's off now. Yeah, I moved my center point. Median. Let's put that right there on top. Yeah, that's close enough. Okay, so go back to object mode, grab our bone, GZ. Want to go into tab and to edit this and GZ this one. GZ. I guess this isn't absolutely important or anything. Oh, cool, Lego Lad. Are you doing, is your game for a game jam or are you just doing a game for fun? Yeah, I'll check out your game if it's on Ludum Dare, Ludum Dare. Okay, so here's the annoying part right here. So you can do, was it Alt-C? No. Man, it's been so long since I did this. Is it just Alt-P? There's a way to do automatic weights, but it's been so long. Automatic. Wow. Cool. I'll check out your game once I finish with this one. I'll probably be done with this tomorrow night. Alt P. Control P. Oh yeah, here we go. With automatic weights. So now you can go into pose mode. I think this is probably going to move everything around. Yeah. Rotate. So it's like giving 100% to everything. So what you can do is you can go into weight paint mode. Edit mode. Weight paint. Yeah, Blender, you learn all these little tricks. So it gave like 100%. That's kind of interesting. I thought it would just maybe like give, I don't know, most of the percentage to here and just unpaint the other ones. But it looks like it gave 100% to everything. You can select the individual bones up here. Yeah. Bone. Pose. No. It's been a while since I've done this. So weight paint mode. But there's supposed to be a way to see which bone. Oh, you can go into bones and like select. Crap. So I need to go back to object mode. Select this. Then there's an option to turn on X-ray somewhere. So you can, I think it's over here. So X-ray. There you go. So over here. So you gotta go to your armature tab button right there. Then select X-ray. So now when I weight paint, hopefully, yeah. So now I can still see the bone that I've selected. So that's important when you got multiple bones. But for this one, I'm only doing one. So I guess I really didn't need to do that, but it's good to know. So I don't know the best way to do this. I always just like set this to 0. Then like exit out of that. So now so everything's blue, has no weight. So I'm bluing all this out. Blue. Oh, no. I didn't mean to get that corner. Just get all of this. Want all this blue. Then see if I can get these right here. These right here. And those right there. Okay. So now go back into pose mode. So we got to go into object mode. Select this one. Pose mode. Turn on Z. So now if I rotate on the Z axis, then this will spin like a little radar spinner thing. So now, file, save. Go ahead and save this. Now we want to go into the animation. Do 1.5. Actually, I probably want to do 7. Now, I've never gotten the art of doing like a spinning wheel perfect. Oh, I need to, before I do that, you can see like all the little faces on this cylinder right here. So what you can do is select that, go into edit mode, press Z, select faces, select all these faces, then go into shading UVs and press smooth. So now this cylinder will be smooth. But you want to make sure that the ends, anything that's flat needs to remain flat. Like This top needs to be flat, but like these right here need to... Actually, turn that on so I can select the front and the back. Then press smooth. Uh-oh. I don't want proportional editing. What, yeah, it is easy to get lost. Where's the select through? Z. Oh, there it is. Yeah, depending on what mode. Yeah, this one's randomly generated. There really isn't much to my levels in this game. It's basically, there's 3 levels, and based on the levels, it'll generate a certain population, certain number of targets, and randomly generate a certain number of towers. So there really isn't levels in here. I mean, there's 3 levels, but each level has more stuff in it. Save. So let's go back to animation. Yeah. My rotations are usually kind of wonky. So, how long do we want this? Assuming 30 frames a second. Let's make this go around once every 60 frames. So, wow, it's been a while since I've done this. I'm going to object mode, just like this. Pose mode. So there's a secret here. Let's set the keying to location and rotation. So I should be able to just press I. That should add a keyframe. And then I forgot how to duplicate that. Oh, you can do a Shift D. But maybe I don't want to do a Shift D, because sometimes that messes things up. It'll want to go all the way back around. Let's just try it this way. So 15, we want to rotate on Z by 90. And press I. Then on 30, we want to rotate again on Z by 90. Press I. Then on 45, I want to rotate on Z by 90. I. Then, let's see if this works. 60, rotate on Z by 90. I. So if we play this, see, it isn't perfect. It's pretty good. But you have that whooshy whooshy whenever it stops and starts. It's like it does a rotation, then stops. That's always been a problem. Because, really, okay, so this is going to 60. It's 0. It's like it's taking an extra little bit to get around there. So it takes 15 to get there, 15 to get there, 15 to get there. 15. I don't know why it stops. I think that's good enough for a 48-hour game jam. Stop. I don't know what's the deal with the hiccup. But hopefully, just doing that, hopefully that'll import the animation. I think I got to go in, as I noticed from one of my other, with my plane explosion animation, you got to go into models, go into tower, and set the animation to legacy. Rig, legacy, apply. Maybe once I pull it in here, maybe it'll run fine. I don't know. Yeah, see, that's pretty... Yeah, I still noticed a little bit of jankiness. It's like a couple of extra frames right there. Maybe I should have just went to 58 or something. Be nice if I could just run it to 58. See if that takes that little bit of hesitation out. Yeah, there's still a little bit there. Then if you take too much off, then... What's that going on right there? Oh, that's just the arrows, I think. So now if I go back, I think I have to reassign. I think I got to reassign that. So yeah, if I pull in a... oh no, it automatically... Unapplied, import asset settings for... Okay, I'll apply it. Great. Okay, sometimes that works and sometimes it doesn't. But I'm assuming that worked. See if it works. No, it's not spinning. So sometimes it may... See, you notice it's not updated right there. So let's just do this. Do that. Let's delete this one. Pull in the new model. See if it automatically assigns it. So, apply. Also need to pull in the material. Matte tower. Come on, matte tower. I guess I gotta put it on the cylinder. Yeah, it doesn't have the armature and all that. Apply. It's 4 in the morning. There it is. It's spinning. I like how you can see the... Oh no, it only spun once. So I got to go in. Let's go back to the model. Tower. Crap. I don't need to open this back up. And wrap mode loop. Do I need... I still don't understand what loop frame is. I don't think it makes a huge difference. Okay. Okay. 0 weight. It will be assigned to bone 0 with weight 1. Well, I really don't care if the whole pole spins. That's fine. So you can still notice that little bit of a delay. Yeah, about ready to call it a night. I'm kind of a night owl. Especially when I don't have to go to work. Yeah, I took some time off last week, so I'm kind of rested up. I need to do something about that package. I need to texture map it, or... Crud, I need that package. Tank. Oh no, I just missed that guy. Oh, he ran into a cloud. Great. Next level. So yeah, this is the second level. It's basically you have population of 100. Oh crud. Yeah, that plane explosion's pretty based up there.
Stratus.
Now I'm back on level 1. Yeah, I can't beat the 3rd level on this. It's really hard to beat the 2nd level, so maybe I need to adjust it a little bit. No! Oh no! Oh, you can't even see it here. Maybe I should... Okay, one last thing. I'm going to move the tower in a little bit so it doesn't, like, ever end up on the very far sides. So let's go to level manager. And see, that's where I'll make the levels. This is all the level generation code right here. Switch eye level, case 0, 1, 2. And I was having the gas refills, but I found out that, yeah, I kind of want the gas refills to always be at the same interval. Towers. So yeah, I want to do from plane X bounds plus, I don't know, 2, 4, 4, 16, yeah. Maybe I just want to do 2. Plane X bounds. Minus 2F. Plus 2F. Minus 2F. So now the towers will always be they won't ever be on the very far end. There'll be like a 2 unit buffer area. You can kind of see where that's kind of like right there on the edge of the buffer. It is kind of unrealistic with the plane going from like the top to the bottom, but I really can't just like stop the plane. I could make it where the camera follows the plane, but still you gotta put a limit somewhere to the size of the world. Maybe I should have stopped the bullet too, because technically the bullet could have hit me right there. Yeah, that rotation kind of bothers me, but it's okay. I'm out. But people keep walking into the clouds. Oh, no, no, no. No. Oh. Get this guy right here. Oh no. It's like one more. He's right there. Oh, he killed himself. Oh yeah, that would be cool. Yeah, I also wanted to have like where the plane would roll and where it could go up and down. I mean, it could make it pretty complex. Yeah, I could make it. And also I got to decide is like after a certain period of time, should the clouds start going away a little bit? Because I know I spawn 100 of these little... See, here's like all the gas clouds, right? Each one of these is like a square with a particle effect in it. And I'm thinking if I put this on a web build this could run pretty darn slow. Oh, I never do kill the bullets either. Let me fix that. The bullets don't need to live forever. So prefabs, bullet. Yeah, I definitely need to add a timeout for the clouds. Bullet. Just make them, I could make them fade away or something, but yeah, I need to do a float F lifetime. Just put it to 5F. After 5 seconds, it should be done. If F lifetime is greater than 0. Actually, I should just always do it. F lifetime, subtract and assign time dot delta time. Yeah, that's kind of an unneeded check right there, but oh well. If F lifetime is less than or equal to 0F, then destroy this game object. So now that'll at least clear up the old bullets. I should also kill the bullet whenever the game is over. So level manager. Oh, I know what I can do. Level manager. Undo my little level manager trick. Level manager. Level manager, level manager. Did I put it in here? I didn't put it in here. Plane. So I'm just gonna grab if level manager's null, get it. So if put it right here. If level manager game over, then we want to destroy game object 2. Just to take care of that one case where you clear the level, but there's still a bullet going through the level. We don't want the possibility of that bullet, after the level is complete, to collide with the player. And in that rare case, you could have both a level complete menu and a game over menu displayed at the same time, which wouldn't be good. Very rare case, but go ahead and check for that. Okay, I think I'm going to call it a night. That's an hour and a half. I'm going to come back tomorrow, probably on the MacBook, and do the music. Maybe do a texture map for the plane. I don't know. But I think that's about all that's left. Maybe do a 3D doodleo for the title screen. Maybe take pictures of the clouds. Oh yeah, and fix that sound for the explosion.
Stratospheric.
Okay, great. File, save scene, save project. Okay, thanks everyone for watching. I'll probably be back tomorrow and probably post this online tomorrow night. Yeah, Ludum Dare ends at 9 p.m. Eastern Time tomorrow night. So, see everyone later.